GCPay enhances collaboration between general contractors and subcontractors by standardizing the progress claim process. GCPay pulls project data and subcontracts directly from your integrated ERP, eliminating double entry and ensuring accuracy. Subcontractors are invited to create progress claims and bill against their approved schedule values. GCPay makes it easy by automatically calculating holdback and carrying over values from previous claims. Change orders are pulled in from your ERP, ensuring the schedule values in GCPay is always in sync with the subcontract in your ERP. Subs can bill by percent of work completed, and GCPay will automatically calculate the dollar value, or they can bill by dollar value and GCPay will calculate the percent. GCPay prevents subs from overbilling any part of their approved contract. At submission of a progress claim, you can present your subs with any number of requirements. You could, for example, require subs to upload outstanding compliance requirements, submit a statutory declaration, or upload backup for stored materials. Approval of progress claims can be handled by a single user or routed through any number of approvers to meet your internal processes. Approved progress claims are exported back to your ERP where they adjust the associated subcontract. Stat decks in GCPay are generated using data directly from the progress claim, ensuring all stat decks are accurate. You can require stat decks at any time during the progress claim, including before claim submission, after claim approval, or after payment has been made. Users can sign or notarize stat decks online or upload a signed copy. Progress claims, statutory declarations, and compliance information are summarized for both general contractors and subcontractors in the dashboard, delivering a powerful view across an entire organization. The dashboard makes it easy for GCs to keep their projects on track and for subs to find any outstanding requirements. GCPay also boasts a collection of useful reports that can help GCs with anything from owner billing to minority tracking. GCPay users report easier, faster, and more secure progress claim processing with GCPay. Reach out to our team today to see a customized demo of how GCPay can work for your business.